Project Management Professional, PMP. What is it? The Project Management Professional is the highest level certification in project management. It gives, wherever you are in your career, the globally recognized piece of paper which tells employers, peers, and everyone else you know what you're doing in project management. Even if you're not a project manager as such, or it's not your job title, having the PMP certificate proves you can bring a project to completion. Having it recognizes your ability to manage projects successfully. PMP certified project managers are also well versed and skilled in managing all aspects of the triple constraints: time, cost, and scope. Employers depend on the skills of PMP professionals to manage budgets, track costs, manage scope creep, and identify how changes may introduce risk into the project. They then must minimize those risks to protect the project plan and investment put into it. But is it worth having? To know that, we need to look at the data. CIO magazine ranks the PMP as the top project management certification. That's because it proves you have the specific skills and experience employers seek. Certified PMPs report earnings of up to 26% more than non-certified project management professionals, and they find it much easier to find the best job opportunities. CIO magazine also cites the PMP certificate as number 3 in the top 15 most valuable certificates for workers in the world's tech industries. In the Project Management Institute survey, 11th edition 2020, it shows that having the PMP certificate has a salary advantage over non-certified workers across 36 countries, ranging from a high of 84% in the Philippines to a low of 4% in Australia. In the United States, the salary advantage is 26%. In the UK, it's 12%, and in Canada, it's 24%. In India, someone with a PMP certification has a salary advantage of 13% over his or her fellow non-certificated project management colleague. What do I have to do to get the PMP certificate? The standards for PMP certification are rigorous. Before taking the exam, you first have to demonstrate and certify that you have the skills and education necessary. Credential seekers should be ready to provide documentation for items such as education, projects worked on, and hours spent in each of the 5 project management stages: initiation, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing out the project. In order to take the Project Management Professional exam, you will need the following requirements: either a 4-year degree with 3 years leading projects, 35 hours of project management education training or CAPM certification, or a high school diploma or an associate's degree or global equivalent, 5 years leading projects, 35 hours of project management education, training, or CAPM certification. If you need to know more information on the PMP certification and where and how you can apply, I've put a number of links below, including a link to the newest Project Management Institute salary rates worldwide.